Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with Texas Decor and more. How have y'all been doing? Look, there's my cat. I was planning on folding those clothes right there in the back and hanging them up, but she was sleeping on top of them, so I couldn't. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you like my content, I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Well, let's just talk about this really quickly. So I have all this that you see on the table, right? So I actually took down most of my Easter decor last Sunday, and literally all I did was pile it on top of my kitchen table because I didn't have a tote for it. I thought I had a tote, but I didn't, so I had to go to the Dollar General this morning before I made the video, and you can't see it in the video, but I'm putting all the Easter decorations into the tote. So, yeah, all this stuff literally sat on top of my kitchen table for a whole entire week, from Sunday to Sunday. I actually took it down last Sunday, and then finally I'm getting it actually put away and organized in this video, and I'm putting it into the tote. And my main focus in this video was the kitchen area and the dining room area. That's like my main focus on what I was trying to get organized in this video right here. So I had a lot of Easter decor I needed to get put in that tote, and then I wanted to focus on my hutch in the background there, and my friend gave me a steam cleaner and I wanted to try it out. So basically this whole video is like me using a steam mop in this video, trying it out and putting away all my Easter decor. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for stopping by, and I'm about to cue the music.